What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to learn how to connect your Stripe account to Go High Level. If you sign up for Go High Level using our affiliate link below, you'll unlock an exclusive extended 30-day free trial that's double the usual 14 days. Plus, we're throwing in over $2,000 worth of bonuses, including this landing page template. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So there are two ways on how to connect your Stripe account to Go High Level. So the first one is when you log into your agency view, you will see that there's a button here under the agency dashboard that says Connect Stripe. So just click it and it will redirect you to this prompt that will ask you to connect your Stripe account. Another one is when you log into your sub account. So once you log into your sub account, just go to Launchpad, and there is an option here under the Launchpad that says connect your Stripe account to accept payment. So click connect, and it will automatically lead you to the Stripe homepage. All right, so Stripe will ask you to enter your email that you're going to use to register. Click submit, and then create a password. Next, Stripe will ask you to set up a two-factor authentication. So either you can use Google Authenticator or you can enter the code manually. So for this tutorial, we're going to use the Google Authenticator method. So scan, then click next, and Google Authenticator will ask for the verification code that will be visible on your mobile app. So once you've entered the verification code, it will say that your account is secured, and it will ask you to download or copy this code right here. So for me, it's safer to download the code. It will give you a notepad or a .txt file that contains this code for security reasons. Click next, then connect, and then continue with completing your profile. Choose your business location, what type of business, and so on. All right, so once you're done setting up your Stripe profile, it will appear here under the agency dashboard. And if you have a verified Stripe account, this message won't appear here actually. So you just have to make sure that you complete the verification before logging into your Stripe account. And that's it for this quick tutorial. We have now learned how to connect your Stripe account to your Go High Level account. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. And don't forget, if you're ready to try out Go High Level, use our affiliate link in the description to unlock an extended 30-day trial, over $2,000 worth of bonuses, and a free landing page template. See you in the next videos.